So I guess the locals are all fighting, saying they want this driveway, the county road, forestry road, as their driveway and to keep everybody off. And they weren't so anal about it until a while back a group of ATV guys came through here. And they came through this drive, and the guy just had his gate open to his own personal property, and they came through there from the trail system up road and came ripped through here, and everybody changed their attitude. I was mad about it too, because nobody been up here at all except dirt bike guys. And then a group of ATV guys come through disrespectfully, and that property owner was mad because they showed up when he was getting laid, and it didn't happen because they drove up to his trailer and then went past his trailer to get here, and it pissed him off. So now they're putting this sign up, says road closed to people riding around here. And this trail used to go to the top of the ridge, run the ridge, and come back down this road. So what the fuck are they planning? Are they going to let us ride the rest of the trail? Because it sounds like a waste of fucking time. They put a lot of money into this trail, and I think they're losers for doing it. They should consider either continuing this trail to come out here, or continuing the trail to drop into Drakeside and come down the Big Thompson. I'm not quite confident that they have a plan. I think they're just throwing money at it. Maybe some rich assholes got this agenda dialed in. But this is weird. It is a weird thing they're doing. If you ride Wyoming at all, they don't keep you out of the burn area. Once it stops burning, you can ride it again. They let you ride a week after it burned. I'm not really confident that our Forest Service really understands what they're doing, for the simple fact, before it burned, I was accusing them of watering it and them actually drying it out to create the burn. I mean, they're using weather modification, and they used fucking mind control to get me coming up here trying to make trail before they burned it. I am very convinced that the Forest Service is lazy, and that all of this effort is actually not their plan. It's somebody else's rich agenda. Maybe the bicycle guys got down with it. I don't know. But I'm a little bit disturbed by this trail now. A fire shouldn't really slow us down that much, but, you know, I really just want to keep the ATV guys out. And they made it a private trail that way, so their side-by-sides get to go rip the road that washed out real bad. I mean, it needs work. The road needs work, and dirt bike guys, mountain bike guys, the hikers can walk around it. To try to fix that road sounds insane. It's a real bad burn, and it's a real bad wash. But I'm just going to ride what they got available, and this is a fucking weak-ass ride. I mean, not even 10 miles worth of single track right now. It is an easier trail to ride now, though. like how quiet my bike is. I think I'm gonna go much further. I told myself I would stop right in here, so I'm gonna turn around. I'm suddenly really thirsty. And I'll go much further with this actual clean trail. But it gets you to the top where the road is. And for safety precautions, we still need the road in case something happens. Somebody could break their handlebar. You're not going to get out of here. It'd be nice to have the road. Somebody can get hurt. The road is the option.